Hello students, welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today I Taruna Saini is going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 12, Profit, Loss, Discount and Tax. So beta, the chapter is very important. Chapter 12, Profit, Loss, Discount and Tax. So normally you have seen that all these terms are mostly used by shopkeeper when the shopkeeper sell goods, or it is used by the customers when a customer buy a product. So shopkeeper always want to sell the product at profit and the customer always want to take the goods at a cheaper rate. So customer want discount. But there may be both the situations. Either the shopkeeper will get a profit or there may be circumstances that the shopkeeper will get a loss. So in this chapter we will understand about all these. Tax is a compulsory payment which is paid to the government. Tax increases the cost of a product. Tax is always added, discount is always deducted. So the first point to understand in this chapter is, the first one is cost price. The price or the amount paid by the customer to purchase an article is known as the cost price. The first word is cost price. Cost price means at which price you are purchasing the article. Then next is overhead expenses. Sometimes when you purchase the goods, you have to incur certain expenses in their packing, cartage, taxes, labor charges, etc. These are called overhead expenses. These are normally included in the cost price. Okay, so effective cost price is equal to cost price plus overhead expenses. So do remember that if there is any extra expenses like installation, suppose you purchase an inverter cost is rupees 25,000 and suppose you have to pay 2,000 rupees for its installation, then the cost of inverter will be 27,000. Then next is SP, that is selling price. The price at which the article is sold is known as the selling price. Then is the profit. Profit is the difference between the selling price and the cost price. Profit is the difference between selling price and the cost price. And what is the profit percentage? Profit percentage is equal to, there is a formula for profit percentage, that is profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Always remember, whether you find loss percent or the profit percentage, in the denominator you will use the cost price. Then if you want to find out the selling price when the cost price is given, you have to use this formula. Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by cost price. And if you want to find out the cost selling price when there is a loss, then 100 minus loss percent. So your work is to, you will write all the notes in your notebook, all the key terms in your notebook on the before starting the exercise. Now let's start the exercise 12.1, question number 1. So see the question number 1. Prachi bought a Bengal box for rupees 350 and she sold it at 425. So the cost price in the question number 1, you see that the cost price is rupees 350 and the selling price is rupees 425. Now you can compare that selling price is more than the cost price, so there is a profit. So what is the profit? Selling price minus cost price. So you will subtract 425 and 350. So the difference will be rupees 75. Then you will apply the formula for profit percentage, that is profit upon CP multiplied by 100. Profit is equal to 75, CP 350 into 100, that is 21.42%. So you can take a screenshot by pausing the video and you have to attempt the question in this manner. Now question number 2, Hina lost rupees 15 by selling a sari for rupees 500. Find the loss percent. Means Hina selling price for a sari is rupees 500 and the amount of loss is rupees 15. You have to find out the loss percent. So firstly let us find out the cost price. Selling price minus loss. So selling price plus loss. So it is 500 plus loss. So the cost is 515. Now you have to find out the loss percent. So it is loss upon CP into 100. Loss is 15. Cost price is 515 and 100. Now you will find out by solving it. You can take a screenshot after completion of a sum. Now question number 3. A merchant bought 10 kg of rice for rupees 70 per kg. So quantity is 10, rate is 70. So what is the cost price beta? 10 kg purchase for rupees 70. So 700. After this he sold 5 kg at rupees 100 per kg. So what is the selling price? 5 kg at 100. So 500 and remaining 5 kg at 80. 80 into 5 400. Yani ki selling price is 900. Then profit is there. Selling price minus cost price. That is 900 minus 700. That is 200. So what is the profit percentage? The formula for profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP into 100. So profit 200, CP 700 into 100. You can solve it and your answer will come to 28.57%. So you have to firstly find out the cost price and the selling price of the 10 kg of rice. Question number 4. The selling price of 10 books is equal to cost price of 12 books. So we can take it X. So selling price of one book will be X upon 10. Cost price of one book will be X upon 12. And the profit will be SP minus CP. SP is equal to X upon 10 minus X upon 12. Take LCM, it is 60. It is X by 60. Now you have to calculate profit percentage. So profit upon CP. How will you find out the profit percentage? Profit upon CP into 100. So what is profit? Profit is X by 60. X by 60. X by 60 upon X by 12 into 100. Cancel it. 12 5 is 60. 100 upon 5, that is 20%. In this manner you will do question number 4. You have to find out the profit percentage. After this, question number 5. Rajesh bought a sofa set for rupees 6500. Okay, so what is the cost price of sofa set is? That is rupees 350. Now question number 5 we are doing, sorry. A fruit seller buys mangoes at rupees 350 per 100 means 100 mangoes come for rupees 350. So what is the cost price of one mango? So cost price of one mango will be 350 divided by 100. So it is 3.5. And selling price of dozen means 12 mangoes. Selling price of 12 mangoes is 48. So selling price of one mango will be selling price of one mango 48 divided by 12, that is 4. So this is your cost price and this is your selling price. So what is the profit? Profit will be SP minus CP. 4 minus 0.5. 4 minus 3.5, that is 0.5. Profit is equal to 0.5. Now the profit percentage will be profit upon CP into 100, that is 0.5 3.5 into 100. So when you solve it, your answer will be 14.28%. Now, question number 6. Rajesh bought a sofa set for 6,500. So the CP is equal to 6,500 plus 154 transportation. So it is 6,650. Now he then sold it for 7,500. So selling price is 7,500. So the profit will be SP minus CP. SP is equal to 7,500, then 6,650, then profit is equal to 850, then profit percentage will be profit upon CP into 100. 850 upon 6,650 into 100. So it will be 12.78%. So you have to do these 6 questions in your notebook today. I hope that you understood. You can review the video again for solving the questions. Have your notebook with you, have your book with you while you watch this video. And if there is any doubt, tomorrow you will ask. Thank you so much.